The rose bouquet bag is really practical. It's really nice to put some small items, headphones, and lipstick tissues. The hooking method is also very simple, and the rope is pulled and there is a bouquet of flowers. I couldn't help but make another one, so I prepared the materials first. 4-strand cotton thread 2.5 hook needle. Finger winding. Braided needle. Lock a needle first. Hook another 25 braid needles. After catching 25 braids, count down the long needle. The hook needle is carried out through the needle penetration. Then exit the coil in pairs. This is a long needle. Continue to hook the needle. A total of 22 long needles were hooked. After hooking 22 long needles, the last needle is hooked with 3 long needles. Then flip to the other side and hook 21 long needles. After 21 long needles are hooked, the last needle is hooked with 2 long needles. After the last stitch and the first stitch are drawn. In the first round, a total of 48 long needles were hooked. Lock 2 needles as a standing needle. This circle corresponds to the first circle with 48 long needles. After the hooking, the last stitch and the first stitch are pulled out. In the third circle, stand up 2 braid needles first. Then draw a long needle. 2 more long needles. Lock a braid needle. No ticking is allowed. 3 more long needles. Lock 1 stitch and 1 stitch. Then there are 3 long needles and 1 lock needle. Repeat it with an empty needle. Don't forget to lock the last slap after you hook it up. 1 empty needle and the first needle are pulled out. Two more standing needles, corresponding to the following circle of needles and eyes. 3 long needles, 1 locks the needle and 1 empty needle. The entire body is ticked according to this rule. A total of 12 rounds of checking and wrapping the body is completed. Change the line and hook the leaves. Find any needle into the needle. Take the thread and lock a needle. Hook a short needle. Hook 4 more braid needles. If you don't hook the 2 empty needles, then you will hook the short needle. Continue to hook the 4 braid needles. Two needles are empty and don't hook them. Note that braid needles are also considered as needles. Repeat this set of tricks and click it all over. The last needle and the first needle are pulled out. Lock a needle. First hook a short needle in the first big hole. Hook 4 more braid needles. Count down 2 needles and 1 is pulled. Two more braid needles. A short needle is hooked in the same needle. Give another short needle in the next hole. 4 more braid needles. Count down 2 needles and 1 is pulled. 2 braid needles. Another short needle for the same needle. Repeat the rest of the part according to this set of tricks. After the last needle is pulled out, use a suture needle to hide the thread tip. Next, change the line and hook it to the rows. The short needle between the 2 leaves touches the needle. Bring out a thread and hook 12 braid needles. After hooking 12 braid needles, the 4th last needle is the left thread hooked to the long needle. Each needle has 3 long needles. The next needle continues to hook 3 long needles. After hooking the last long needle, lock the 3 braided needles and pull them back into the copper needle. Roll up the roses. The hook needle passes through the bottom of the flower. The wire winding is pulled out and the thread is broken. The thread tip is secured with a suture needle and hidden. A rose is finished. The remaining flowers are done by themselves. Next, hook 2 tie-up ropes. 80 braids are hooked with needles. Leave a longer line after hooking. Use a suture needle to start through the hole. The second and the first pass through the same position in the opposite direction. Knot at both ends. Then fix the prepared roses. The rose bouquet package is finished.